I walk through fire, I walk through pain, carried a heart full of sorrow and shame. But you were there in the silence and storm. Your grace, it held me, kept me